Here we have the lovely Kaiser HGE 93555 ELF EM. It is part of our Empire range, which also suits very well with the Art Deco and Belle Epoque lineup if you're looking for a different variety of products to match, such as cooker hoods, microwaves, tea kettles, anything that you're looking for. Now, this specific range cooker is one of my favorites. It's a dual fuel version, which means you have the gas top and the electric oven, which is my personal favorite combination. Now, the top of this one can be used with either natural gas from the mains or from LPG. All you have to do is select the installation in our basket. We'll take care of it for you. It comes with the nozzles to change it over from the different types of fuel. Now, the other best thing is the flame failure safety devices built into every single gas hob, where it will automatically shut off the gas supply if the flame is extinguished without your knowledge. The next best thing is that this comes with a wok adapter as well, so you can put on a really nice big wok and make a beautiful stir fry for your family and your loved ones. On top of that, you can also choose this optional extra cast iron griddle. It is a very nice, beefy, chunky unit, which you can use to sear various meats, steaks, vegetables, anything you like. The next best thing about this entire unit is the quality of the metals used in the production and manufacturing process are of the highest quality. The entire top, the burners, the cast iron supports are all made out of cast iron. These are removable and dishwasher safe, which is a great feature for keeping it clean. On top of that, you also have these lovely, beautiful, thick, antique brass coated metal knobs. They inspire a load of confidence when you're using this product. Of course, you also have your single-handed ignition, so when you go to use it, it's very, very easy and simple to use. Very, very, very nice action on that one. Then moving down, we have the oven, which is 115 liter capacity. It has your triple glazed glass door to make sure it retains all the heat and makes it extraordinarily energy efficient. You can use it with the multiple 8 different features and functions using this knob here, choosing the one that you like. And you can, of course, adjust the temperature precisely to what you're looking for. When you go inside the oven, you'll see that it is coated with a beautiful enamel material, which leads to lovely catalytic cleaning, which means you can heat the oven up to 250 degrees Celsius for about an hour, and then all the residue will turn to ash, and it's very easy to clean out. That is one of the benefits of this enamel surfaces. On top of that, you have these lovely telescopic rail systems, which allows you to put trays in and out very, very easily. You also have an electric rotating rotisserie for those larger meats, perhaps a full turkey or maybe even a full chicken, whatever you like for you and your family. On top of that, you have the electric analog timer, which controls also your child safety options to make sure that no one gets into this oven that you don't need to, because of course you want to keep your family safe. You also have the timer, so you know exactly when your food is ready. Then, once you close the oven, if you need to store your pots and pans or various trays, it comes with a nice storage unit on the bottom. And on top of all of that, my absolute favorite thing about these units is the styling and the design. The Empire range with the beautiful rustic solid metal handles, the metal plaques, metal everything. It just really exudes that confidence in the product and will match the traditional style of your home and your kitchen. And with that, I really look forward to having you as our esteemed customer.